Just absolutely amazing to be able to spend some time with an animal that's so young and completely relaxed with the vehicle and our presence over here. They've barely even looked at us since I've arrived. Hello everyone and welcome back to the virtual safari. So some of you may have noticed there's a new face in front of the camera, and I would love to quickly introduce myself to you. My name is Matt. I'm going to be the new virtual safari guide. I'm going to be taking over from Tristan. Tristan is on to some new adventures and the Tinswalo team wish him all the best. It's very exciting to be part of the team, and I'm very excited to be able to bring the wildlife and nature back to you at home. I hope I can provide you with some valuable information and also some amazing sightings that we both can cherish for a long time. For today's plan is just to get out there and just to see what we can find and have a great time, which I'm sure we will. I've just popped by main dam and I've found this quite a large herd of wildebeest. Quite a lot of them here. And the reason why I came past main dam is that I had some signs for 3 lioness heading in this direction, so I thought they could potentially have come here for a drink. It's been a bit tough trying to find some tracks for them this morning, but I'm glad that we eventually have, so maybe we can get some whereabouts. And speaking of the brindles on the canoe, those stripes, as with the zebra, each individual will have their own unique pattern, and also specifically with this species of zebra, it will have those shadow stripes, so you'll have the black and white, and then in between that you might be able to see some grey striping, and that's what we basically call a shadow stripe. I bumped into Red Road. I'm just east of Main Dam, and he seems like he's all over the place. He's on a smell. I think he potentially could be looking for females, the Nauru females. Yeah, very interesting. He's up and down, so hopefully we can get some good footage of him. So I've just caught up with Red Road. You can see he's looking in great shape, and it seems to be he's on a scent. He's putting his nose up and down, and we do know that there are signs of 3 Nauru lioness towards Main Dam, and we're just to the east of Main Dam at the moment, so he could potentially be looking and trying to relocate with those 3 females. There you can see he's smelling the ground, looking up. Some territorial markings there, just spraying the bush, leaving a scent behind. You can also hear those soft calls that he's doing there. That's what we call a contact call, and that's to try and relocate with members of the pride. So that just reassures us that scent that he's been following is to try and find the females. So he's just laid down over here and come to rest. It is getting pretty warm, so I'm sure he won't be moving too much further today. Probably gonna be looking for some shade and have a nap. mane looking beautiful in the golden light. He does keep looking behind him. I did hear some wildebeest alarm call in that direction, so could be potentially interested, maybe finding out what spooked them. So I've come out this afternoon and I've just gotten word that there's a hyena den that's actually nearby at one of the pans. So I'm just going to quickly head over there. Hopefully we can get a visual. It'll be awesome to see some young ones, and yeah, hopefully we can get lucky. Alrighty everyone, so I've made my way to the hyena den, and with incredible luck there are two little hyenas out here. You can see there's one of the entry points into the den, and I've only seen two young ones. I'm not too sure if there's any more. I'm not sure how many there are in the den. That one might be going back inside. There's another one over here. But they are so cute. Still just a couple weeks old. You can see how they still have their dark coloration, that black. Eventually it will turn into the golden yellowy orange. Mama's off to the side there, having a bit of rest. Both playing around now, starting to pester their mother. It's just absolutely amazing to be able to spend some time with an animal that's so young and completely relaxed with the vehicle and our presence over here. They've barely even looked at us since I've arrived. They've just carried on. We're about to start losing light and they're just about to get active. both playing around now, starting to pester their mother. It looks like that one's busy playing around with a stick or a piece of bark. And a sibling was chasing it around, also very intrigued, trying to get a piece. You can see just some of the spots starting to come through there behind the ear. Alrighty everyone, so this is where I'm going to end this virtual safari. I really hope you all enjoyed, and it was great to see Red Road for the first time today. I can definitely tell you he is one impressive male lion. There was a lot of general game out there today, which is amazing and spectacular to be able to go and see that hyena den with the 2 pups there. It's just amazing how confident and unbothered they are with our presence there. I'll definitely be going back in the next coming days just to make sure that there isn't any more hiding around there. And join us for the next virtual safari, where we can hopefully join up with some more lions and maybe another special sighting or 2.